everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you don't know, my name is Jenna Weir. Please remember to subscribe and like my videos if you like them. As well, give me a few comments and I will for sure answer you back. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Olaplex No. 7 hair bonding oil. I just wanted my hair, especially now that it's brown, to look a bit shinier because when I was blonde I just felt like it looked a bit brighter, and I just wanted an oil to make my hair look healthier. And I have been using the Revlon blow dryer brush thingy, and it says you should probably use a hair protectant, so this does work as a hair protectant. Anyway, so my hair is about 90% dried. I just showered and washed my hair with the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. So when you use all of these products together, it is going to give you your overall, the overall best result, which I am hoping to get. I'm going to use, it's just like, I've been using it before, but I'll just show you how I use it. Sorry for my nasty nails, it's lockdown. I literally just go like 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me about that much. I rub it in between my hands, and then I go from like mid length of the hair downwards, and then I go a bit up, and then you really want to get the ends of your hair, yeah, just because that's probably where they will split. Well, that's where they do split, and then I just use my other hand and I kind of just run my fingers through my hair. So I put that throughout my hair. Should be good to go. Anyways, I'll blow dry my hair and I will be right back. What I like to do is I like to just brush the product throughout the hair, just so it distributes all over, and then I'm going to just section the little, I don't have much hair, so I'll section like that much at the top, that much into a little clip. Oh, yeah, it's not working. Boop. Anyways, and then I'm going to start blow drying my hair with the Revlon hairbrush. I'm still new to it, I don't really know how to use it very well, so let me know if you have any tips. Right, now that I have dried my hair, which is a process, I hate doing it, that's why I only wash my hair twice a week, because yeah, that's just, I don't have much hair, but even still I hate blow drying. It just feels like a process that, you know, when you have to shampoo, because I shampoo twice, and then you have to condition, and then you have to blow dry. Oh, it's such a process. So yeah, that's why I like to just wash my hair twice a week. But now that it has dried, I'm gonna go back in again with some more oil. I'm probably gonna do like 2 drops, I don't know, just feel it out. So 1, 2, and I kind of just rub it in again, and then I'm just gonna go through my hair like I did when it was kind of wet, and then the top where there's a few flyaways, I just kind of pat that down. You don't want to put too much at the top because it's just going to make your hair look greasy. Like, you just want a bit of shine. So yeah, there's just like a few bits at the top that I like to push down. And yeah, that is, you could see there is shine to it, to the hair, which is what I'm going for. I want it to look really healthy. Yeah, So pretty much use it every day just to refresh it. Like when I wake up in the morning and my hair is a bit wonky, sometimes I'll go back in with the Revlon hair dryer just to fix it up a little bit, and then put a little bit more of this bonding oil in. But yeah, I pretty much use this every day. I do definitely think that it makes your hair softer. It does make it look a bit more sleek. Like there's no frizz. Like my ends don't look like fried, which is amazing. But yeah, I do really think it like just, it's great as a heat protectant because it's quite light, and it's great as a finishing oil. Oh, sorry. It's great as a finishing oil as well on your hair. It just kind of makes everything look perfect and straight. I also use it when I wave my hair because I find when I like curl or wave my hair, it does get a bit frizzy, especially my front pieces. I'm trying to grow these out, so I haven't cut these in a while, so I make sure to put a lot at the front bit here because they look a bit fried. But yeah, I definitely recommend using this Olaplex bonding oil. I just, like I said, I think it makes my hair shinier. It's great as a heat protectant, as well as a finishing styling product, and you can just like retouch it every day if you would like. And I can get away with washing my hair twice a week, so it doesn't make my hair oily, and it's normally prone to being oily because my hair is quite fine, so I do tend to have to put on the third day a bit of dry shampoo on my roots, and I use the Living Proof one, which is really nice. It smells really nice. So yeah, I think that this oil is worth it. To be fair, like I haven't used loads of different oils. Like I think before I used a Moroccan oil and like a coconut oil, but I just thought I'd give the Olaplex one a go because I am using the shampoo and conditioner as well as the number 3, I think it's called, as like a hair mask, and I use that like every other week. I used to use it once a week, but now it's like every other week. And I do think it has made a difference in my hair. It just feels so much nicer and my ends don't look fried, which is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about the Olaplex oil, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will help you out as best as I can. And maybe let me know your experience using it or another oil that you would suggest. But yeah, I quite like it. Anyways, have a good week and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!